Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure the headphones have enough battery and that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Power the unit off, then press and hold the power button and the custom button together for about 7 seconds to enter reset mode. You'll see the indicator flash. Once done, the lights will show a reset pattern. If you prefer the app, open Sony Headphones Connect now so you can initialize from software instead of using buttons. Now continue with the chosen method. If using buttons, keep holding until the LED indicates the reset. This erases pairing and custom settings. If using the Sony Headphones Connect app, go to Settings, find Initialize or Reset, and confirm the action. The app shows progress. Make sure you don't force close the app or power down the headphones mid-reset because interrupting can leave them unpaired. After the reset completes, the headphones will restart and enter pairing mode or normal startup. Finish by repairing. Open Bluetooth on your device or the Headphones Connect app and follow pairing prompts. You should see the headphones listed as a fresh device. If pairing fails or settings persist, make sure firmware is updated and battery is charged, then repeat the initialize sequence. If the reset still doesn't clear the problem, reboot your phone, try a different device. And as a final step, contact Sony support with your model and serial number so they can guide a deeper repair or service option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.